Hey guys, this video we are going to take, we wanted to test out the Prismatic Universe holographic powder. So we took one of our signs from the inside that we got from Redline. I believe it's Redline. We blasted it, we powder coated, and it turned out very, very, very bad. I know why, so it was my error, but it turned out pretty freaking bad. Also, the last video, we had the winner, Trent Newcomb, got a hold of him and he donated the money back to us, to help with videos and stuff. So that was awesome, Trent. Also, if some of you guys haven't seen our, podcast with Maui Powder Works, go over and check that. That will also be down in the description. I think that's it. We just did a short video, 4 minutes, on back ionization. When we were dealing with this, we decided to do one on that because we had a few questions this week on what it looks like. So we did that. We also have a video coming out after this one, a short one. We were asked to do some jewelry. Lydia does bracelets over in Maine, I think, from Maine. So we asked her to send us one so we could just do it and get the cost and figure that all out. So we ended up figuring that all out too. Watch the end of the video to see how badly this turned out. Hey guys, so we got some of the Prismatic, the new holographic color in. What we're going to do is we're going to take a sign that we've had for a while. We're just going to blast it and we're going to try the holographic color on it, just to check it out. Hey guys, so we're back to this. Of course, we ended up blasting it off. Now we're going to go through, we're going to clean it with Eastwood pre-painting prep. I ordered some stuff. Sorry, it's cold as hell in here. I ordered some stuff that, like on the podcast, Ross uses. Excited to actually try that stuff, but for now, this is what we have. So just make sure to go over the whole thing. If you get the parts behind it, doesn't matter. One thing I'm not worried about is getting lint on it because we burn all of everything we do, or everything I should say we prep. But all I care about is this dirt. Okay, got a lot of dirt off that. Hey guys, so now we're just burning it off. You can see that we have a few lint pieces from when we did the wipe down the prep. So all we're doing now is just burning off the extra lint and whatever is left over from that pre-prep. Also, it doesn't hurt that it's actually warming it up a little too, so. So now we are doing the prismatic, I think it's called Universe or something. Again, small project. We're using these small containers. That's why we're using KKHD system. Hey guys, so we are doing the menu sign. We're doing it in Prismatic Universe, I think it was called, the new holographic. We're using the HD system. We have it about 70 kV, 30 to 40 microamp. Love how it turns, right? Get some edges. How's that look? That's okay. Looks like it held everywhere. Yep. Okay.